Meet me by the bleachers, can you find me after school? You stand there like a star, I don't know how you look so cool. You say such pretty things while your hands are on my waist.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a new bride in Atlanta. It's a beautiful day and we are here in our getaway house. Getaway house is like basically you get away from the city life. You just chill in the tiny cabin surrounded by nature. It's like to unplug your worries, your work, and the Wi-Fi. So let's go check out our cabin. They got a s'mores kit too, even though we brought ours, but yeah, that's nice. And we have like some books, radios, some kitchenwares, plates, and then they have the little fridge. The bathroom is right next to the kitchen, and then they also have like a shower booth. Ta-da! It's just so clean.
I'm putting the green ones. Cheers.
Thank you, Drew. 진짜 맛있다. I really like it.
No. I just care about
Cheers.
bring it away.
I don't know.
Fatherhood. One like here, right? Yeah, already. Just do one for now.
Chocolate is ready.
That's how you make a s'more. Nice to do.
This is my way.
You don't want to catch on fire. But it makes the inside really gooey. I think I didn't let it burn long enough, to be honest with you.
Where is it to burn? Why?
That's fine. You do yours. You do your way.
Is it? Ooh.
Is it getting there?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
You gotta do it.
Look. Ooh, look here. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the smoke. Wow, I made it slow, huh?
No? Just take a bite. It's gonna be messy. It's gonna be sticky. It's gonna be gooey.
Oh.
Ooh, it comes apart as a s'more.
Mmm. Still?
Yeah. So there we go.
You think you did it?
I don't know.
I get a bite. Cheers. 진짜 맛있어.
Of course you did. Because of campfire?
Woo. Put it in the pocket. Some Greek salad. And then also Greek sauce.
Is that one bite?
That's it's gonna be one bite. The sauce from Trader Joe's is so good.
Is it? Disconnect 4.
So who start first then? Me first?
Yeah. I don't think so.
Why? Oh. You didn't know? Seriously, you didn't.
I couldn't do
This
anything.
is too obviously.
I had to block this one. I had
Oh, I
to,
didn't see
I
that.
had to block that
So it
one.
was like both the way, huh?
I had to block that one.
Hey! Oh!
You're lucky.
Hey!
You gotta pull the thing.
What? What'd you say? 잠깐만.
Why are you recording now? What was my win? Oh no.
This is double loser.
You just go for that one?
Yeah. Ah!
Oh, this one.
Ah!
Oh. What?
와.
It just fall immediately. Ready?
Started. Is it started? It's so cute. 아 귀여워. Is that a tail? Aww. So cute.